You need to think about reviews. You need to get reviews. It doesn't matter how you get these, you need to get some reviews. Beds on Board's default search sort is most reviews. And so you need to get off the starting blocks at all costs, otherwise your listing will get lost amongst all those other boats that don't have reviews. So you could halve the price of your weekends and hope that your first potential guests will spot it. You could incentivize friends and colleagues to book via Beds on Board. Do whatever you have to in order to get that first review. In my case, I was really lucky to get my first guest without doing anything clever. So my first review led to further bookings and further reviews, and it kind of created a glorious, virtuous circle. Managing the process. Now you can make this really easy. One benefit with the Beds on Board platform versus other listing services is that guests pay up front. This means that you can send them a single confirmation email when they book rather than sending lots. I use Airbnb for my cottage in Cornwall, and I have to remember to send one email when they pay a deposit and another when they pay the final balance. So I keep a standard Beds on Board booking email in my email drafts, and then I just copy it and paste it over when I need it. Now this email explains everything, including how to collect the keys from the marina, and it links to the PDF file and the YouTube document that I've created. I then send them a text message on the day of arrival, and I always send one after the first night, and I always get lovely responses to that one. It just works. I haven't had any issues, and you can read the many reviews on the Zendog site, on the Zendog listing, that praise the level of communication they've had from me.